Hello, my beautiful magical friends. Today we're opening up spiritual goodies. Isn't this box super cute? So this is obviously a spiritual subscription. I believe the theme for February is self-love, so I'm super excited to see what's in here. Emmy is having a good time. She just discovered that she can jump up on my cabinets. I have like tall ceilings. I just posted a picture on my Instagram. And I've been surprised actually that she hasn't ventured up there, but she just did. So she's kind of like full of energy and feeling really cool right now. Cool girl. Yeah, want to say hi really quick? Say hi. She just wants to look at me. There's a light behind the camera. But anyways, hi guys. Welcome back. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and my cat. I totally lost my train of thought because of how cute she is. Apologize for that, kind of. Not really, but yeah. So if you guys are new here, I really hope you can start subscribing before you go. Every Wednesday, at least, I open a spiritual, witchy, magical subscription, whatever you want to call it. And of course, this time it's spiritual goodies. So I will link them down below. I know when you first subscribe, you get a discount and it's around $30-something. I'm sorry, I can't recall off the top of my head. I realized I actually have an email from this company. So if I can get a special discount code too, in addition to that, I will provide that in a pinned comment. But I believe it's a pretty good discount for first-time subscribers anyways. But let's get it open and see what's inside. I'm sorry, I feel like I was totally like ready to go and then I got so distracted by my cat. You would think being around her all the time I get used to her cuteness, but no. So we get a little oracle card, I guess you could call it every box, and it says, I love myself and I am worthy of being loved. Yes, so there's an affirmation on that you can say to yourself every day. You guys like my green nail polish? I haven't painted my nails in forever, and it's not perfect, especially my right hand, but I really like the green. You know why I'm doing it? You guys know I'm trying to attract in the abundance. So yes, the theme is actually what's on the card. I love myself and I'm worthy of being loved. And look at all this information you get on all of the items inside, all the spiritual goodies. And they give you a meditation every month and they highlight some spiritual teachers. You can like look up their YouTube or whatever they do. And they also give you tips on how to practice self-love on the back. I love that. So here's a little glimpse of inside. There's like a mask here, and then everything is well wrapped. Kind of weighty. I'm excited. So what is this? Morning Google Eyes, or morning goggle eye mask? Oh, I said Google. Yeah, it's goggle. Probably because I see the word Google all the time. Morning goggle eye mask. Brighten and protect. Made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. I love the stars. I have like really short nails right now. I'm like, why do I feel the urge to do ASMR sounds? I don't know. Oh my god. I seriously said earlier today that I need candles, and I got 2 boxes outside of this full of candles, and now I have another candle. I'm like, the universe is magical. It works in great ways, but this looks so pretty. The box itself looks like this is a soy candle with some crystals in it. See what it says? Isn't that box adorable? 100% soy candle with healing stones. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve love and affection. I love that. I love the theme of this box. Oh my god, yes, the container of the candle is super cute too. It matches. And it says the same thing on the top. I love that. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, let's smell it. Can I get it open without having to use my nails that I just painted? Oh shit. I can't open anything sometimes. Let's see if it describes a scent. And I'll have someone help me. I just painted my nails like I said. I don't want to mess them up instantly even though they're already messed up. Self-love candle, apricot scented. Ooh. And it's made with rose quartz stones. Perfect for self-love. Perfect, and then it says perfect for uplifting emotions while promoting relaxation with a sweet and soothing scent. Rose quartz boosts the energy of love, chakra healing, and balances emotions. And then it gives you 3 candle ritual suggestions. I love that. It like reminds you to set intentions with your candles. I do all the time. I have a candle burning all the time on one of my altars, so that's why I go through them quick, and I'm super excited. It's beautiful. And I think it'll go perfect with my Lakshmi altar over there. Sorry I can't open it, but I'm sure it's beautiful. I just, yeah, we're gonna move on to the next item. What is it here? Is this a stone? Hi, Emmy, were you having so much fun? Is this what I think it is? I've been wanting this stone. Oh my god. Is it? Yes, it's rhodonite. I don't have any. Oh my god. I'm so excited. You guys, I have so many crystal stones, and this is actually a beautiful size. Perfect size. This is nice. Oh my god, I've been wanting this stone. Oh, I love this. Okay. So rhodonite palm stone, $15. Yeah, I was gonna say this isn't a cheap stone. This is probably what made the box heavy, and it's such a good size. Oh my god. Rhodonite is a stone of compassion. You carry or place this stone in any area to balance emotions and nurture feelings of love. It activates the heart, plus encourages unselfish self-love and forgiveness. Use rhodonite to regain balance both emotionally and physically after a period of grief, major illness, financial disappointment, heartache, or intense sadness. Keep this stone close after a breakup to learn to love yourself and value your own company. Also, you can use rhodonite to transmute lust and excessive libido into a loving exchange of passionate sexual energy. Awesome. I can't remember what reason. I think it was probably self-love, and so is why I wanted this. And I've seen it like in tarot pick-a-card like videos, which like shameless self-plug. I have another channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do tarot pick-a-cards, but I've seen this in like the Gem Goddesses channel or something. I'm so happy I have my own. Yay! Oh my god. And then it looks, do we have another stone? I think this is a stone like necklace. Let's see. Are you tired out now, Amy? Oh, yes, it is. It's rose quartz in the shape of a heart. And that's like the color of my skin. Can you see the heart shape? I'm sure you can. Awesome. So cute. And, ooh, yes. Man, does it smell like birthday cake? I see the word birthday cake. Birthday cake body butter. Vegan, organic, cruelty-free. Awesome. Oops, there's a sticker on it. I bet this smells so good. It's gonna make me want to eat cake, but it's something I don't have on hand readily. If I did, oh my god, I would be happy. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I can smell it from here. Do you see that? Oh, it smells exactly how I would expect and how I wanted it to smell. Oh, it smells good. I'm gonna eat it. And then we have this little white box here. Oops, somebody's wrist. I texted my friend about how I got all these candles, and now I'm going to tell them I got even another one because they were over earlier. Like, I got even another one. I need your help opening it. Oh, cool. This is, you can use this for multiple things, but I think this is for your face. This is rose quartz. What do they call this? Let me look at it. A mushroom gua sha, yes. I love that. I have other shit. I think I've had one like this in the past, but I don't know what happened to it. It might have been like put it in a giveaway or something. But they give you tips. I love how much information they give on every single item. So especially if you're new to like the crystal world and stuff like that, like I love how they give intentions too for how to use everything, tips, how to do facial massage with this. Oh, and FYI, that rose quartz necklace, you could have gotten it in amethyst or rose quartz. There was some variation there. Oh, we still have one more thing in the box. Oh my gosh. And then I love the meditation. I am incredible. My body is a miracle. I love myself. And it goes on. Hey, baby girl. But last but not least, we have a door hanging here. I love this kind of stuff. I'm so excited. Yeah, I think they emailed me and asked if I wanted this February box. I knew I already bought it, and I wanted to make sure, and I just got it in the mail today. I need to email the company back and tell them I really like their box, or support them, but maybe get a code or next one's box. Oh my god, this is beautiful. And I love how it like represents like, you know, the goddess, our divine feminine body. And that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So you hang this, how do you hang it on the door? I wonder if you, let's see what it says. I'll definitely figure out a way to hang it somewhere. I love the color. I've started doing feng shui, like different colors, different items, and different like parts of the home. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. I have my computer and my phone there, and it, like, you know, with iPhones, it does another alert. But anyways, this beautiful mini hanging carpet reflects the nurturing ways of feminine energy. It features a purple goddess holding the earth above her head. I love it. Sorry, am I holding it towards me? And where was I? Casts shades of purple, blue, and white, and both ends of the carpet have been finished with a lovely antiqued metal frame. And it includes a loop at the top so you can hang it on your wall, altar, anywhere in your home or office. Yes, I think I might put it on one of my altars. I don't know, but like I was kind of saying, sorry, I'm all over the place on ADHD, but yes, I'm going to put this somewhere that goes with my flow. My place is really small, but maybe one day I'll show you guys everything. You kind of have seen it because I move around my videos. You've seen like my tarot wall. I just love color, and I like having different colors in different places. Like I have purples in my room, so maybe I'll put this in my bedroom. But yeah, I love this. I love everything, you guys. I love how everything was on theme. I love that I got a crystal I've been wanting, because I have so many, and that is not one I've had until today. So I'm going to go clear that, meditate with it, use my new items, and you guys have to let me know what you think. Again, I will link spiritual goodies down below. I believe this is the second or third box I've gotten from them. Maybe third, but I'm very happy with it. I can just like look at this stuff all the time. So I feel like we got a lot of things too. But I have to say, I think getting this crystal is my favorite, my fave. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. And again, if you haven't already, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. But no matter what, take care of yourself. Know I'm grateful for you. And I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next way, I hope. Bye.